Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you all about Qbine SSL. What is SSL and how it works. So, let's begin. Alright, let's start with what is an SSL. An SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. It's a cryptographic protocols that encrypt the traffic between the browser and your website. So basically, a secure traffic, encrypted. And why are we doing this? So that no one can see hackers or bad guys and girls trying to see what's inside that request with personal data or a form with your credit cards or anything else. So that's why we have an SSL. But we also have a transport layer security, a TLS. So what is the difference between a TLS and SSL? Well, it is nothing more than just a newer version. And since 1999, the TLS was the newer version of SSL. So why still use SSL? Well, that's a little bit of branding, because everybody knows what an SSL certificate is. So companies are still selling SSL certificates. But in fact, they are selling the TLS. And since 2018, we have version 1.3, TLS 1.3. So in this video, I'm going to talk about SSL, but I mean, of course, the TLS. All right. Trying to secure your website with an encrypted request is difficult. And that's why we have built Qbine. And if you're not familiar with Qbine, Qbine is our cloud infrastructure platform with many features that improves and secure your website. And we've put Qbine inside a reverse proxy. Now you can forget about the terminology, the name reverse proxy, but what we are doing inside the reverse proxy is an SSL offloading. So your request is encrypted from your browser, from your PC, right until they came across our proxy, the Qbine proxy. And we decrypt the proxy, decrypt the traffic, the request right here. So we can look inside the request and we can do all awesome stuff with it. And if the request is okay, this is checked, then we encrypt the package again and send it to your website. Now we've got two types of SSL offloading. We've got the SSL termination and SSL bridge. Well, the difference between the termination and the bridge is as follows. In front of our proxy, in front of the Qbine proxy, we've got a secure traffic, HTTPS. Now, if you're talking about a termination, the traffic will be decrypted right inside the proxy and will no longer be encrypted if we send the request forward to your website. Then you're talking about HTTP or port 80. Now, we do not prefer this kind of traffic. So we will ask the user, upload your SSL certificate inside our client area so we can have a secure traffic from the proxy to your website. Then we're talking about the HTTPS port 443. So you have secure traffic between the proxy and the website, and secure traffic between the browser and the proxy. And that's what we want. Everything is secured. Now, what can we do with the SSL inside the client area? You can choose what sort of TLS you want to use. So our default is a 1.2, TLS 1.2, but you can say I want to use TLS 1.1. And why are we doing this? Because 1.1 is not secure enough anymore. Because we know that some customers of yours will probably have used browsers that still use a 1.1 TLS. So even those customers can buy your products. But we do recommend that the TLS 1.2 is the minimum. You can also upload custom certificates inside the client area. So you can use your own certificates. So if you have any other question about the SSL or the TLS, just comment me below and I will answer them all. And if you have any question or if you want to know more about Qbine and its features, just watch my other videos. Alright, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye! Oh, if you want to stay up to date, follow Serverius on LinkedIn. And if you like my videos and the content, subscribe. Alright, check out my next video.